Hey everyone, welcome to another feature highlight video from Moesif. In this video, we'll show you how to use event tags. Sometimes you have related events that you want to group together or want to give a more user-friendly name to. This could be true if you have a group of API calls you want to combine into a single API product. Fortunately with Moesif, you can group events that can be looked at as a single unit, like a SKU. In Moesif, this can be done by using the event tag feature. We can define our event tags in the live event log. When logged into Moesif, select the New button on the left navigation pane and then Live Event Log. For example, we have a few endpoints that relate to widgets. With event tags, we're able to reference all calls to the widget endpoints as a single API product, which we can select to quickly see all events defined by the tag. First, we'll configure our filter, which we will use to define our event tag. Under the Events Where header, we'll click Select Field. We'll select Request, URI route, is, and select our 3 widget endpoints. We can start typing widgets and get some endpoints returned to us that Moesif has found from previous API calls. To reference all of these existing calls and any new calls that hit these endpoints, we will create our event tag. On the top right of the page, we'll select Create Tag. A modal will appear displaying the criteria for our event tag. Next, define a tag name. Finally, we'll select Create Tag. This can provide a clear and easy to read way to define filters that non-technical teams are able to work with. We can use our event tags within many different views, such as when creating a time series chart. To use your event tag, under the Events Where filter, select Tag, Is or Is Not, and then select your event tag. Heading back into the live event log, we can see that all calls to our widget endpoints now have a useful event tag associated with it, which is displayed on the event. We were able to use our newly created event tag when defining new filters. We can view all created tags by selecting View Tags on the top right of the page. This allows us to see what criteria is associated with a given tag name. We can see that there's a button called View Tag Manager. The Tag Manager is a useful area to view, edit, and delete all defined event tags. An alternative way to navigate to the Tag Manager is selecting your profile icon on the bottom left navigation pane. From there, you can select Tag Manager. We can now see all of the defined tags for our application along with their criteria, enabled state, creation and modification dates, as well as actions in which we can view, edit, and delete an event tag. If you have an open API spec or a Swagger spec, we can import and create tags by uploading the JSON file for the specification. We can't wait to see what you can accomplish when working with event tags.